Today I decided to experiment with the printable vinyl, my sublimation design. So first I print the vinyl and I print it on the upside down on the printable vinyl HTV, and then after that I cut the design and I cut the extra part. I can do that with my Cricut, but I decided to do it with the scissor. So then after that I first press the shirt and I let it wrinkle free the area, and after that I put the parchment paper underneath so the ink will not bleed, and after that I put it on the center of the shirt, and after that I applied 1 minute heat, and as you can see, and I try to hot peel, and then I realized this is a cold peel, so I let it cold, and then after that I removed the paper, and as you can see there that design is very dull. I think so because I choose the wrong side.